welcome back to my channel. So it has been so long since I last filmed a video here on my main channel. I've mainly been vlogging quite a bit, so if you guys don't follow me on my vlog channel, be sure you guys follow me on my vlog channel. I always have the link down to my vlog channel down below in the description box. But it's been a very hot minute since I last filmed here on my main channel, and let me just say that with two babies under the age of 3, the nap schedule is kind of hard to get packed down because Stella is in the stage where her nap schedule kind of changes, and I was just trying to wait for that time that, you know, she's napping and I get at least maybe an hour and a half of free time. So that means that Stella is napping and Landon is still napping. So Landon I usually put down for a nap an hour before Stella. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have 4 kids. I have a 13-year-old, a 12-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 13-month-old. But Landon is my 13-month and Stella is my 3-year-old. So I want to be able to have at least an hour and a half of free time, and it's been hard trying to achieve that, but I think hopefully, fingers crossed, that I have that down. So this is my first video for the year of 2021, and by the way, Merry Christmas, or belated Merry Christmas, and a very Happy New Year to you guys. I hope that, like everyone else, I hope that 2021 is much better than 2020. 2020 has been a really hard and difficult year for everybody, to say the least, and I am very thankful and very blessed that my family, knock on wood, had not been affected by COVID-19, and I hope that it stays that way. I hope that my family and I and everyone else stays healthy throughout 2021, and I hope that 2021 brings much better days. With that being said, welcome guys to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I would really love it if you guys subscribe to my channel down below and hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys are always notified whenever I upload a new video here on my channel. Today's video is going to be my very first Boxycharm unboxing. So I have not done a Boxycharm unboxing in forever. I don't even remember how long, but this is just going to be a regular unboxing. I said this in a few videos already. I have a ton of makeup that I want to try out, a ton of new makeup, and a ton of makeup that I have had in my collection that I have not even touched. But today is going to be January Boxycharm. If you guys again are new to Boxycharm, I will have everything explained. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get this video started. Okay, so if you guys are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $25 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 full-size products, and the value of the box is always $175. So I do have the base box, and I do pay with my own money the base box. So I haven't really tried premium or deluxe boxes yet, maybe in the future, but I love doing Boxycharm unboxings. I will have all of my Boxycharm videos down below in the description box with the playlist, but this is going to be January Boxycharm. I have seen sneak peeks of Boxycharm for January, but I've totally forgotten about it. Side note, if you guys hear talking in the background, I just literally put Stella down for a nap, so it takes her a while to fall asleep, but eventually she falls asleep. But I do have her right here on my monitor. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's so bright, but that's her, and depends on how tired she is, it takes about 30 minutes to fall asleep, but she's nice and quiet. Anyway, let's just go ahead and unbox this month's Boxycharm. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to find the card. Okay, so here is the card. So you always get a card in the box, and it will always tell you products you're getting for the month, as well as the prices and how to use them. So this month's theme is fresh start, and I can already agree that I guess everyone needs a fresh start for 2021. So I'm excited to see what I get in this month's box, and I am already excited because the first thing that I see in this box is this one right here. I absolutely love Farmacy products. It's just so amazing. I've tried the green clean makeup removing balm, I think that's the name of it, and I absolutely love that. I received that in a Boxycharm one time. It is my favorite. I'm planning to repurchase it because it's so good. But this is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner with moringa and papaya. And it looks like it is a glass bottle, and wow, I'm excited for this one. I'm so excited. I have another toner in my vanity. but I haven't used it yet. But I love toners. I think it's so good. It's a great addition to your skincare. I usually use toner before I use the moisturizer, and it really does help. So I'm excited for this one, and the retail value for this product is $28. Actually, it's not that bad, to be honest. So I'm excited to use this one for sure. Okay, next up is this one from Dr. Brandt, and this is the DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So this is a deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream that helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for a refreshed, younger-looking eyes. And this one retails for $82. Wow, that's expensive. The actual name for this one is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream, and this is good for all skin types. But wow, this is a very expensive eye cream. Dr. Brandt is a very high-end skincare, and I love Dr. Brandt, but $82 for an eye cream that does a really great wonders. So right now I'm using the Murad eye cream, but I want to see how this is. So it is in a squeezy tube, and it looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, there's a little bit of a scent. It does remind me of one of the cleansers that I tried from them, and it's not, I don't hate the scent. I really like the scent. I think it smells refreshing. If you're not into scent, you may not like this, but it does seem to have smoothed out my skin a bit. But I'm gonna give this a try. But for $82, I really do hope that it's worth it, and it does a really great job at covering up the under eyes and the dark circles. Okay, next up is from Bali Balm, and this is their sweet orange and coconut lip balm. So we are getting a lot of skincare products, so I really love that. But I've never really actually heard of Bali Balm. But let's see what this is about. So this retails for $33, and it says this is has essential oils of sweet orange and coconut that gives this lip balm a citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. Very excited about this. I love lip balms. I'm not gonna actually put it on because I do have lip product on me. Ooh, I like the packaging of this. So pretty. I like the whole green with the pop of orange. I think it's so cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on my hand, the back of my hand. Ooh, it smells really good. And oh yeah, you definitely smell the orange and the coconut mixed together. I think it's a great combination. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this on my nightstand. I love something that will hydrate my lips overnight, and I'm excited for this one for sure. One of the great things about Boxycharm is that you get to try out products that you've never even heard about, and that's why I love Boxycharm. I've been a Boxycharm subscriber for so long, and I have tried many products from brands that I've never even heard of, and discovered new brands that I, started to love, and this will probably be one of them. Okay, we have 2 more products in the box, and the next one is this one that is bubble wrap. Okay, so this is from Laura Geller, and this is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo, and it is, I guess it's in the shade Heart of Gold, and this retails for $33 as well, and it says it features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, okay, so this looks pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it feels very buttery for sure. So one is a little bit lighter than the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so you can barely see it, but I bet one is applied to the skin, because sometimes, swatches don't really tell the whole story. But I bet that if you apply it to the skin, that it will be very beautiful. But the glow is there, and I feel like I'm gonna like this one, so I'm excited to try that out. Okay, the last product in the box is this one, another bubble wrap product, and this is from Ciaté, London. I like the packaging of this box. It's like a velvety matte kind of packaging. Let me tell you guys what this is. So this is the Ciaté London The Velvet Palette, and this retails for $30. Ooh, I absolutely love the packaging of this one. It's so cute. Ooh, okay. So this is so pretty. Wow, look at all those shimmers. So it looks like these are all shimmers, but let me see how how they feel. I'm just gonna swatch. Oh, they feel buttery, very buttery. So I just swatched those two purples right there. Go ahead and swatch it in the back of my arm. Okay, she's got some pigment. I don't think this could be like a nice shadow that you can take everywhere because it does seem to be more of like shimmery. I see some matte there, but there is a matte. So let me swatch the matte. So this orange one is a matte right there. So this is what it looks like when you swatch it on the fingers. Okay. So the color story is kind of different, very unique for me, but this is what they look like when they're swatched on the arm. I'm gonna play around with this and use it in a makeup tutorial. I have a lot of videos planned for this year. I'm hoping that I can accomplish most of them, if not all. But I like the color story of this palette. I think it's beautiful. These are colors that I don't have in my, well, not I have in my collection, but the formula is different, so I'm excited to try this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and calculate all of the products, and I'll let you guys know what the total of my box is. Okay guys, so I am back, and the total value for my box this month is $206. So that is well over the value of the $175 value that Boxycharm, the base box, retails for. So very excited. I think the most expensive one is obviously the Dr. Brandt one, which retails for $82. Well, I can't talk today. But I'm excited for all of these products. I am going to be testing out, like I said, a lot of makeup for the year 2021. I have a lot of plans here on my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, this is a beauty/mommy channel. So I have a ton of ideas for 2021, and I am hoping and praying that I have the nap time for both babies down pat so I can film around this time. It's currently around a little after 2 o'clock. It's 2:22 right now. So Boxycharm unboxings are very fast for me to film, which I don't have a problem about. But when it comes to makeup tutorials or trying out makeup products, it's hard. So I just have to kind of schedule my time wisely and just create some kind of schedule for myself so I can film more, because I do miss filming. Also, if you guys did not realize from my last video, I did get a haircut. I got a haircut about December, and it's a big change for me. That is something new with me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put down the box weight and my variation number on the screen somewhere over here so you guys are aware, but I will also put it in the description box below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I really do hope that 2021 is better for everyone, and I hope that I can continue to grow my channel here for my main channel in this year. Like I was saying, if you guys are new to my channel is my main channel. I also have a vlog channel, but my main channel consists of beauty and mommy content. So if you guys like those kinds of content, make sure you guys subscribe. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like